understand? I'm gonna clock it. I'm gonna clock it. So guys, we are in holiday. You understand? All works no play makes children's adore kids. You understand? Since morning they have been playing, and there is this banga that they caught in this our area. Say no more. You understand? Say no more, because we are going to produce something out of that palm banga tree that they caught. You understand? So this is what we are doing this afternoon. So I have to tell you to go and cut these things. You understand? How much are you buying broom in your area? 250, 300. So we are going to be doing it, and I use this opportunity to show my kids how to do broom. If you know, you know. Except if you do not do handwork when you were in primary school, when you were in secondary school, in government school those days, you understand, it's handwork we are using to pay school fees. So they are going to learn how to do broom. I believe this is their first time of seeing how to produce broom. You understand? So we are dragging it out from the stem, waiting for the final result. So stay tuned, keep watching, because this video is going to be a long video, but we are going to be splitting it into different parts. You understand? So we are going to be splitting it. So enjoy the video with us. I am my kids. I said this holiday goes sweet, because see, this holiday, even if it's 2 weeks, 3 weeks holiday, I'm going to be English and Chineke. I'm going to be showing my kids lots of things. You understand? I just pray for money, maybe to show them how to bake something, how to do this one. They get to be involved in everything I'm doing this holiday. Understand? So enjoy the video with us. Have you removed treasure? Oh yeah, keep it on top that sock away. Fast. Keep so that it not scatter. It will be easy for us to be removing it. Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. When you want to drag it back. It will be easy. If you are dragging it front. Have you seen? I thought this thing is very sharp. Sorry. Oh yeah, go and keep. Collect another one. Drag your own fast. At least we'll get like 1 or 2 broom. It will not reach 3. It will be either 2 or 1. Except if we make it a big head. Big. But outside that one, it will be 2 or 3. See, Henry has finished his own. We are not selling. We are using it. You don't have broom in the house. You are selling. Treasure, remove leg from that place. Remove leg. Keep it flat and remove leg. You are not wearing slippers so that it's not injured. Wear slippers. Supposing you wear slippers and you can mash it so that shuku will not choke you. You can keep on the ground so that it will be easy for you. Oh yeah, everybody is busy. So guys, we are busy. Productive Thursday. So today they're supposed to go and collect their results at school, but I said no. We got to do something. When school resume, we'll collect results. Everybody is busy. Yeah, they okay. See Victory, come see Henry Treasure, and see the smallest Destiny. So your mate don't know how to do broom. Great. Where is he? Where are you? I've seen him. So you cannot go and do this thing. Remove the broom from this thing. Oh yeah, leave it. So guys, please follow us if you have not followed. At least we'll get about 2 head. Is it bunch of broom? Be head of broom. We'll get like 2 or 3, but I'm sure of 2. We'll get 2 because see the ones who have removed. Later I'll go and buy this thing. What is it called? Later I'll go and buy razor blade to use and waller the thing. You understand? Because it's razor blade I use and wire. No, leave those ones. It's not strong. Those ones are not strong.
what happened? Why daddy this one? What of that small fan right? Daddy this
This thing. Yeah, start. So guys, we are doing room. Stop that sound in your pocket. I know it's going to take us time, but the result worth it, you understand? Because buying this broom now is either 500 or 400. So guys, our broom is ready and we are still doing it. It's not yet finished. Can you see this one? This one is, we are going to be tying this one into two. See the remaining one, and we'll have the already finished one. We'll tie this one, so we are going to be using it to sweep. So can you see? Make use of your environment. Get why? You understand? I'm gonna clock it. Check. I'm gonna clock it. Take.